Hey there, everybody. Today is Friday, the 21st day of April 2023. It's after 10 o'clock in the morning, and we are at a place called Waterfalls in DeKalb County, Alabama. And just show you some of what's going on down there. You see that big archway right there, of course, in front of us. And when this whole waterfall is going, I'll show you the whole thing in a second. It's not all running. But when it is, it's 300 foot long, the woman told me. This place is free to come to. They want you to sign in at the office, just so they can have a record of you being here. She's very nice. She'll tell you the whole history. It's very, very cool. But here, as we come around, let me just show you. You can see right there is the fat part of the falls right now. But you can see, I mean, it runs all the way down through there as far as the stone. And so just to kind of slowly, and if you look all through there, you'll see little falls going all over the place. And then we'll just come back to where we were slowly here. I don't want to blind you or anything. But you see this right here, that's a pretty good sized fall itself feeding down. That's then coming down underneath that arch right there. But so when this thing's running in its full beauty, it is 300 feet across, if you can imagine that. And I admit I would love to see it. I probably won't be. And then let me show you that over through there, there's a bridge. That used to actually be a cover bridge. It was burned down in 1957 because of disrepair. And then in 98, they built that footbridge right there. And we'll be going on that and across that. So stick with me here, and we'll see how much closer we can get to this and see what I can get you out of it. All right, so we're at the footbridge here, which I told you before, this used to be the covered bridge, but these are the original pilings or piers, whatever you might want to call them. There are 5 of them here, and they kept all of them and built this bridge on top of these. So these things are original. It goes back to, I believe she said 1912 is when this was made. So all through there, I know you can't see all of them, but there are 5 pilings all told. Way down there, you can barely see a little corner of the very last one. That's 1. Then this little bit bigger one you can see is 2. That big one right there is 3. That one's 4. And this one's 5. There's a big hole. But you can see the bridge right up there, right above my head. And shoots right across this right here, at least, the Placid River. But then the waterfalls are on down that way. And we'll be heading down there in a few minutes. All right, then this is the bridge from the top. Just want to give you a shot of that. And there's 2 people standing down there. But we'll walk across that and I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, now take a look at this. I think this is a very nice scene. And hopefully you do too. How cool is that? Get that whole overview there. I find that very, very cool. Sign about the Waterfalls walking bridge. So if you want to read that, well, let my GoPro get straightened up here. Pause that and read that. And you can see the new bridge there. Right there, you can see this. Check out the bridge here. And look at this old, very faded picture, and look at these people. Check them out. Is that very cool or what? But anyway, we're going to go ahead and walk the bridge. And I'll show you. Right down there is one of the pilings right there. So we got that overhead view. And over here we can see another one. See that right there? So the original bridge set on these. That's pretty cool, you have to admit. And then this river is not deep, but I can see rocks. Let me show you on both sides here. Let's see. Yeah, here's a place with no spider webs. Check this out. Look down here, and you can see the rocks all in the water. So this ain't terribly deep at all. And over here, we've got the same situation right here. First of all, there's another piling right there, you see. If you look right over here, you'll see that that's all rock. Got that old tree down there in the water. So that's pretty cool. It's forest. And up here, some beautiful woman coming at me. Think I should flirt with her a little bit? What's your take on that? Hey, beautiful woman. Okay, now over here, you see right in there, you see there's a bunch of rocks with a bunch of the moss and stuff on it down there. So we're almost across. Big old hill. Some rocks up there. There's a trail that goes off that way. And a trail that goes down here. So we'll check this out. Oh, here's your view of some of the pilings there as we go through here. Oh yeah, we'll be able to catch these a lot better from this side of the bridge. See some of the rocks right there. A little bit downhill here with a bunch of rocks and things. Oh yeah, look at this. You see the reflections on these pilings here? Just can't see that last one right back there. But isn't that pretty cool? A lot of history here. She said moonshiners used to use that covered bridge. That was a big thing. So, not too bad. And you see it all just floats down that way. Nice reflections of all the trees. Alright, hang on with me. Alright, so I'm going to shoot you a reflection here of this bridge. I'm down here at water level. Just want to go slow, show you these reflections of the pylons and everything there. The bridge, all the trees. There, that should get it all. And here, I'll move it back up, get a little bit of the sky. Come back across this way and see which way looks better. Pretty nice bridge, huh? I like it. The breeze is nice today. It's cloudy, so not hot. Alright, I've come over here right by the falls. If you can hear me, look at this. Look at how hard, how loud, how crazy. One slip here, and honestly, I'd be dead. I know that. So I'm staying back from the edge. See that waterfall out there, and then go all the way down out there. How cool is that? But you see how loud this is. Let me take you right over here without me slipping. I'm not getting on the wet stuff. Check this out. You're looking straight down. What do you think about that? Here, I'm going to take you out and show you the further out. Alright, now, you've got a view right now that I do not have. Take a look at that just beating on that wall. Slowly bring you around here. This is craziness. See a little green in that water right in there. Hopefully I'm holding that right. Now let me show you. I'm going to take you up. I'm going to get us a big overview of this whole thing. Hopefully. Wow. Crazy, crazy. I hope you like this one.